also mentioned how he had refused to let me come to the party because I don't drink, then spent the money I gave him on buying Tina an expensive meal. He got even more defensive and said I was bringing up irrelevant things to make him look bad. According to him, the steering wheel thing was just a joke that I took too seriously. He said I was being dramatic about the whole situation and that the Bush incident wasn't even that bad. I was done arguing at this point. I told him that his behavior wasn't okay, drunk or not. I mentioned how he had mocked me using Tina's words right before grabbing the wheel the second time. He tried to interrupt me, but I kept going. I told him how terrified I was when the car crashed, and how his laughter during that moment showed exactly how little he cared about my safety. He got up abruptly and said he needed some air. Before walking out, he turned around and said I should think about whether I want to continue this relationship if I can't handle his jokes.